Dental College. You know, let's all start this protest rally in a peaceful manner. I implore you to maintain the decorum of the rally. Please be quiet. Move along your own lines. This is a peaceful protest. We'll say our slogans. We'll try to create awareness among the people about the RG medical rape case, and we'll try to make aware the people that such incidents should never happen, mostly in Goa and anywhere else in the country. So this is a loud and clear message. Our army friends are doing campaign all over the India. The protests are happening, but this guard voice needs to be clear and loud in minds of every Goan and every countryman that we are not going to tolerate this again and ever again. So let's start the rally, starting with the banner, and someone will be saying the slogan.
Our police fraternity are with us.
Our police fraternity is with us. They are providing us the protection and necessary guidance along the way, so that the traffic will not be disturbed, the general public will not be disturbed, and
We are having volunteers. We will help them.
yeah, and we have volunteers distributed all along the line. You can just take their help if you need anything. There is water, there is some refreshment along the way if you feel tired. There is ORS, any medical kind of help you require along the way. Please feel free to coordinate with our volunteers who will be helping you along the way.
एक बाईट तर तुम्ही आज प्रोटेस्ट रॅली काढता.
Hi. So this protest is a continuation of our yesterday's protest that we have started at Goa Medical College. This is a peaceful protest. We are expressing our solidarity with the rest of the medical fraternity in the country who is doing the strike while not hampering the emergency services so that the justice is delivered to the victim of the RG medical this rape and murder case.
Participant
You are a GMC doctor.
There is a GMC doctor, there is some friends from dental fraternity also.
But you will be marching from here to
Even IMA is having a protest.
IMA is organizing, but see, we as been guard has always have our own voice. And this incident has happened to residents, so we thought that it is our duty to protest and to show our voice as a resident doctor. It is good that IMA is organizing, but this is a separate thing.
So it will be a silent protest.
It will be a silent protest. In the way, we will not be harming the general public. We will walk along the way as guided by our police, and we'll coordinate with them during the march.
now you are marching towards Angel Church.
Immaculate Church, and then we'll be sending back.
पार्टिसिपेंट कौन है लोग, कितने लोग टोटल है?
यूर पार्टिसिपेंट्स मतलब हमारा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज से हैं, इंटर्न्स हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं और डेंटल कॉलेज से मेडिकल.
टोटल कितने होंगे?
Okay, excuse me. What will be the next move of action? After this, then next what?
Next move of action is we are waiting for what our rest of the medical fraternity is saying. There is PODA, there is MARD in Maharashtra, and there are other associations also. So we are expressing solidarity. We'll see if the justice is being delivered. If this is enough, then we will stop this strike right away. Otherwise, it will continue.
And what about the Indian Medical Federation? Are they also?
Yeah, everybody is in support. IMA has organized anyways the entire country strike today, but everybody is in support with the solidarity with the victim of the RG medical rape.
Doctor, how is the status of security in GMC?
See, these issues are not our primary concern. Our primary concern is the justice is being delivered to the person, and after that,
Even it is about the security of doctors. That's
yeah,
why
it is the security of doctors. All over the country. So currently, we should not stray away from our primary goal because everything and anything will be dealt on by the guard as it comes and went. But currently, our main thing is to give the justice to the victim in Kolkata.
Yes.
Thank you.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. आवाज दो. आवाज दो. आवाज दो. आवाज दो.
आरजी का संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
आरजी का संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
आरजी का संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
आरजी कर संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
भारत देश की लड़की है,
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
हमारे देश की लड़की है,
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
हमारे देश की लड़की है।
बहन हम शर्मिंदा हैं,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है,
बहन हम शर्मिंदा हैं,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है,
बहन हम शर्मिंदा हैं,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है,
बहन हम शर्मिंदा हैं।
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है।
दोषियों को फांसी दो, दोषियों को फांसी दो,
दोषियों को फांसी दो,
दोषियों को
फांसी दो,
दोषियों को
फांसी दो,
दोषियों को
फांसी दो।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम।
We want
Justice,
we want
justice,
we want
justice,
justice.
बंद करो ये अत्याचार, बंद करो ये अत्याचार। जस्टिस,
justice।
आज ही का संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
आज ही का संघर्ष करो।
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
भारत देश की लड़की है,
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की
जय।
We want,
Justice,
we want,
justice,
we want,
justice,
we want,
justice,
we want.
justice.
1, 2, 3, 4. जिंदा है, तेरे कातिल जिंदा है,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है।
आज ही का तुम संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
आज ही का तुम संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
आज ही का तुम संघर्ष करो।
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है? मोदी की लड़की है। जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
वो भारत देश की लड़की है।
justice, we want justice, we want justice, we want
Justice. Justice. Justice.
बहन हम शर्मिंदा है,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है,
बहन हम शर्मिंदा है,
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है।
तेरे कातिल जिंदा है।
Justice. जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है? जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
भारत देश की लड़की है,
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
भारत देश की लड़की है।
जनता क्यों नहीं भड़की है?
मातरम,
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 मातरम।
आरजी कस तुम संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
आरजी कस तुम संघर्ष करो,
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
आरजी कस तुम संघर्ष करो।
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
आवाज दो,
हमें है,
आवाज दो,
हमें
Subscribe Go1 Update social media channel and press bell icon for latest notification.